Hello friends, I am Rajendra Patel. Jai Swami Narayan. Standard 6 English Medium, subject Maths, Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. Friends, today we are going to study about divisible test and common factor. You know, divide is important in maths, and how we can do divide easily. So we have some divisible test: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 9 divisible test, and with the help of this divisible test we can do divide easily. How? So first look here, divisible test of 2. Which number we can divide by 2? So look here, if any number has last unit digit, means in ones place, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then it is divisible by 2. How? As an example, suppose 24, the last digit is 4. So we can divide this. 2 1 ja 2, 0, 4 down, 2 2 ja 4, with remainder 0. But if any number has last unit digit without 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then we can't divide it by 2. How? Suppose this is 35, last unit digit is 5, then 2 1 ja 2, 1, 5 down, 2 7 ja 14, here remainder 1. So we can't divide it with remainder 0. So divisible test of 2 is any number has last unit digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then we can divide this number by 2. This is the divisible test of 2. Now, divisible test of 3. If the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 3, then given number is divisible by 3. Suppose I have a 3 number, 3, 4 and 5. How I can say that I will divide this number by 3? So first we have to addition of number digit. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4 12, and 12 is divided by 3 4 ja 12. So this whole number is also divided by 3. So this is the divisible test of 3. If the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 3, then given number is divisible by 3. You can say here 345. The total of 345 is 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 12 is divided by 3 with remainder 0. Then 345 is also divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 0, 4 down, 3 1 ja 3, 1 and 3 5 ja 15 with remainder 0. So if the sum of digit is divisible by 3, then whole number is divisible by 3. Now divisible test of 6. So you know the divisible test of 2 and 3. If both is right, then this number can be divided by 6. Means there are two conditions. Last unit digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, and the total is divided by 3. Then this number is divided by 6. So this is the key of 6. Friends, we study about 3 key, 2, 3 and 6. What is the key of 2? If any number have last unit digit 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then we can divide this number by 2. Friends, divisible test of 3. If we do the sum of all digit of number and then this sum is divided by 3, then whole number is also divided by 3. Now divisible test 6. So friends, you know the key of 2 and key of 3. If both keys are right, then this number is divisible by 6. How? So suppose here 2, 4 and 6. So here last unit digit is 6. It is divisible test to write. Now total 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 is also divided by 3, 4 is 12. Here both keys, key of 2 and key of 3, both keys are right. Then this number is divided by 6. 6 2 is 12. Now one more divisible test, 5. So what is the divisible test of 5? If any number has last unit digit is 5 or 0, किसी भी नंबर के पीछे लास्ट वंस प्लेस 5 और 0 है, then we can divide this number by 5. So this is very easy divisible test. You have to see only last unit digit 0 and 5. Then you can divide this number by 5. Now divisible test of 10. It is also very easy. In divisible test 5, we look last digit 5 and 0. But in divisible test of 10, we have to look only last unit digit is 0. Only 0. Then we can divide this number by 0. Divisible test by 4 of 4. Now, what is the divisible test of 4? So take last 3 digit, unit, tens and hundred. If we divide these 3 place number, means unit, tens and hundred, 3 last digit divide by 4, then we can divide whole number by 4. Look here, 9, 8, 4. 4 1 ja 4. Here, 4 2 ja 8, 1. 4 9 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. Here 2. And 4 6 ja 24. So last 3 digit, if we divide last 3 digit, means unit, tens and hundred place with 4, then we can divide whole number by 4. Like this, the divisible test of 8. So in divisible test, we take 3 place. In 8, take 4 or more place, then divide. If we divide 4 place, then we can divide by this number 8. Suppose 12 and 16 by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 4 here 1, 8 5 ja 41, 8 2 ja 60. So we take here 4 place. Indivisible test 8. Friends, now divisible test of 9. Friends, we study about the divisible test of 3. If the sum of all digits is divided by 3, then whole number is divided by 3. Like this. Divisible test of 9 is like this. If we divide the sum of all digits by 9, then we can divide this number by 9. Suppose 10503 is, we have a number. The total of 1 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 9. So 9 we can divide it, 9 1 ja 9, 0. So this whole number is also divided by 9. The key of 3 and key of 9 are same. The sum of all digits is divided by 3, then whole number is divided by 3. Like this, the sum of all digits is divided by 9, then whole number is divided by 9. Now last divisible test is of 11. Friends, divisible test of 11 is some different. Look here. This is 1 place, 2nd place, 3rd place and 4th place. So take odd and even for 1 by 1. These 3 numbers. Take first odd number, इवन छोड़ दो, ऑड इवन छोड़ दो, ऑड, ये दोनों का टोटल करो, फिर जो बचे दोनों का टोटल करो. मीन्स टोटल ऑफ ऑड नंबर इज 7 plus 5 plus 8 and total of other two remain 2 plus 7. So 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 8 20. Here 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Subtraction 20 minus 9 is equal to 11. If the subtraction is coming in table of 11 or 0, then we can divide it this number by 11. Once again, the key of 11. Remember, if you have given any number, take 1 place, remove 2nd, then 3rd place, remove 4th and then 5th place. तो 1 by 1 एक छोड़ के एक प्लेस को लो, 7 plus 5 plus 8 इसका टोटल करो, इसके बाद 2 plus 7 इसका टोटल करो, दोनों का सब्सट्रैक्शन. If we get subtraction in table 11, 11, 22, 23, 11, 22, 33, 44 like this. Otherwise 0. या तो 0 या तो ऐसा कोई डिजिट मिले जो 11 के टेबल में आता है. Then we can divide this number by 11. So friends, today we study about divisible test of 2, 3, 6, 5, 10, 4, 8, 9 and 11. These all are most important in divide. Friends, next period we study about the common factor and common multiple. Thanks a lot. Jai Swaminarayan.